gonna pretend you're tying like a regular shoe.
You're probably gonna have to start all over because I didn't hit play yet. All right, take one again. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so this is how you tie a shoe faster.
Okay.
Okay, so you have two laces like you regularly do.
Two laces.
And you're gonna pretend you're tying like a regular when you're regularly tying a shoe. You're gonna tie it in a knot like as always.
You see the knot? Okay.
And you're gonna grab your pinkies like this.
Pinkies, everybody.
And then you have to make sure that your pinkies are.
Do we have to squeak the pinkies like that too?
Yes.
Okay, squeak the pinkies.
Okay. And you're gonna grab your hand like this.
Okay.
Both hands.
Okay. Now does it matter which way you point your pointer finger, or does that matter?
No. Okay.
Okay, that doesn't matter.
So then you're gonna go under and up. Like
Okay.
that,
Gotcha.
and have it like that.
Gotcha.
And then this one, you're gonna go the opposite way. You're gonna go under.
Gotcha. Now does it have to make a C, or could it make a V or a B? You know, when you put your fingers like that, does it have to make the letter C?
No.
Okay, no C. Okay.
I don't know what you're saying, but okay. And you're gonna like twist your fingers like that.
Twist.
And this finger is gonna grab this one, and this hand is gonna grab this one.
Gotcha.
So you're like switching like that.
Okay.
And you pull, and there you have your shoe.
Wow.
We'll do it one more time. Okay. So you have your knot, and you're gonna grab your pinkies.
Squeak the pinkies. Gotcha. Squeeze them.
You go over and up,
Over and up.
under and up.
Under and up.
So you have like an L with your hands.
Okay.
And you're gonna twist it like that.
Twist.
Grab.
Okay.
Remember, this hand is grabbing this one.
Definitely.
This hand is grabbing that one.
Definitely.
And you're gonna pull.
Shoo.
And then you
Okay.
can let go with your pinkies and
Let
then you
go.
have your tie. And we'll do it
Dang.
faster.
Okay. And your mark. Get set. Go.
Oh no, my other
Come
hand's
on.
not.
Come on.
Okay, sorry. Okay, ready?
Set. Go. Dang.
See, it's way faster. And I'll do the other side.
Yeah, I'll have some more to tell you, but anyway, yeah, that's the.
And you can also do it if you're tying someone else's shoe from like the other side.
Okay.
So it works that way.
Okay.
So
But yeah, definitely.
good.
Alrighty.